Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Gigabyte Radeon RX 6600 non-HD Eagle graphics card. So friend, Gigabyte has launched new middle range model based on the cut down Navi 23 GPU. Thus, immediately reach out our source for material to share. And friend, this card is nearly identical to the RX 6600 XT, which is only launched a month ago. And friend, it features 8GB GDDR6 memory. And friend, AMD is supposedly not stopping at a single Navi 23 model, as the company prepared to launch non-XT version with fewer cores and hopefully a more reasonable price tag. And friend, this confirms that AMD is not launching any 6GB or 4GB models anytime soon. And friend, the card supposedly features Navi 23 XL GPU with 1792 stream processors, just as many as Radeon Pro W6600. And friend, according to the packaging, it is targeting 1080p gaming. Just recently, Igor Wallossek made a simulation featuring a Radeon Pro variant with the same core configuration as the rumored RX 6600 non-XT. And friend, this board is slightly shorter but still features a single 8-pin power connector. The card is set to compete with GeForce RTX 3050 desktop series, which still have not released by NVIDIA. And friend, the latest rumor on the release date put RX 6600 non-XT at the end of September, possibly early October. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.